We're bringing it back, guys. Side Hustle Tuesdays is coming back this upcoming Tuesday. We're going to have an all-new episode for you guys. I imagine a lot of you guys are already familiar with the series, but if you are not, it was probably my most popular series. It seemed to be one of the types of videos that you guys enjoyed the most, and I really enjoyed making them. Side Hustle Tuesdays, I'm sure you guys know what a side hustle is, right? A side hustle is something that you can start outside of your 9-to-5 job with little to no money and with the skills that you have. It's a great way to kind of test out different business ideas without investing a ton of time or effort into them. And if it winds up taking off, you grow it and you scale it. It was a series that I was doing for probably like a year and a half, 2 years. I think we got over 100 episodes up. I do have a playlist on this YouTube channel. I'll link to it down in the description box below if you guys want to check out some of the old videos or catch up before we release this new one. It's been probably a year and a half since I've made one of these videos. I really enjoyed making these videos, but it's a lot of work tracking down entrepreneurs with side hustles and businesses. Even though it's free advertising for people, like you would think it would be pretty easy to track people down, but not everybody is necessarily receptive to sharing their story or coming on the channel. So I also wanted to put kind of an open call out to you guys. If you have an interesting side hustle, I don't care what it is. I don't care if it's power washing garages, power washing fences, selling freelance graphic design services, you make some kind of handmade things. Whatever it is, share your side hustle. If you're interested in sharing your side hustle with me, I'd love to do a story about it. I'd love to share it with our audience here, and I'd love to feature it on an episode of Side Hustle Tuesdays. And don't feel like there's some like threshold to success you have to meet to be on here. It could be a new business and you've only made $200. Maybe you made $2,000. Maybe you made $200,000. I just want to share all types of stories of different entrepreneurs with interesting side hustles and interesting startups. And I just wanted to give you guys a teaser for what we got coming in this week's video. So this company is called Brik. I believe it's GetABrik.com. I'll drop a link to them in the description box below. I should know the gentleman's name. I want to say his name's Garrett. He's got kind of a cool, fun little trailer video on YouTube and on his channel. And what I think is kind of cool about this, I'm not going to get too much into the story, but basically he sells knives, right? Knives are cool. I like knives. My girlfriend's brother just brought me one of those cool switchblade knives back from Colorado. Those things are like all the rage. I think it's Benchmade or something like that, but you basically, it's like a little spring-assisted knife. And he brought me one of those. I actually broke it already, unfortunately. He was telling me there's this safety feature. In order to make them legal, when you flip it out, if it hits any resistance, it's supposed to stop or pop back in. So I tried doing that, and I wound up breaking my knife. So this is actually going to come in handy. I don't know that this is a spring-assisted one. A lot of people are selling knives, right? Like the outdoor and tactical space is like kind of a really crowded space. I really will like what these guys did. They gamified it. So first off, their knives, hence the name, wind up coming in a brick. I really like the job that they did with the packaging. It looks like it's kind of a concrete brick here. They got it wrapped and everything. And not only does it come with a brick, so you have to smash it open with a sledgehammer to see what kind of knife you got inside, but they've also kind of gamified it even further with kind of an interesting concept. So they give you, it's smash, grab, win. So I'll probably wind up editing this into the Side Hustle Tuesday video. We're going to wind up smashing this thing with a sledgehammer. We're going to see what kind of knife we get inside, but there's also kind of a gamification component to it where I think somewhere in here, I literally just took this out of the box, but somewhere in here, there's a secret code. We're going to go to their website. We're going to enter the code on the website, and we have a chance to win a prize. I believe it's the prizes include a handmade knife by a Colorado craftsman valued at $300. So I'm into knives, so I thought it was cool to begin with, but I love kind of the gamification that they did to this, right? They made it very fun. They made it very like shareable on social media and Instagram and things like that. I'm gonna get to smash the shit out of this thing with a sledgehammer, and then I get to enter my code and see if I won anything. So let's see. I'm gonna drop a link to these guys' website down below. I know we've been talking about affiliate marketing lately, and we've been talking about, I've been sharing a lot of different affiliate programs with you. And these guys actually have an affiliate program too. I forget the commission that they pay. The link I'm dropping down below will be an affiliate link, but if you're looking for an interesting product to be an affiliate for, this is pretty cool. You know, this is like something, how many of you guys go on sites like, Dude, I Want That, or This Is Why I'm Broke? Like, this is exactly the type of like cool kind of like gadget gift or present you might get for somebody. So I thought this was pretty neat. They sent me over the answers to the little questionnaire I sent them the other day. I haven't had a chance to fully dive into them yet, but I'm really excited to kind of learn more about their business and share it with you guys this upcoming Tuesday on the return of Side Hustle Tuesdays. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. Feel free to check out these guys' YouTube channel, Instagram, like them, subscribe to them, give them some support. A couple young guys doing a pretty cool business. And if anybody's interested in one of these, again, I'm going to drop my affiliate link down below, and I will catch you guys on Tuesday for the return of Side Hustle Tuesdays, where we're going to be talking about brick. Out.